Hello, Carl here with Sustainability Theory News. We're over at the website for the University of Washington, and they have a study on making biofuels out of poplar trees. Now, oftentimes when scientists try to make biofuels from trees, they use just the wood chips, and the wood chips from mature trees that take 20, 30 years to grow. But these poplar trees that the scientists have been using were only grown for 2 years, and they end up looking something like this. Poplars are, of course, very fast growing. And when they chop the trees down, new trees sprout from the trunk. It's a method called coppicing. So they can reuse the same root base for up to 20 years or 10 harvests. They have already done this once from 2012 2014, and I believe they did it again 2014 2016, and they're analyzing the results. They've done a couple of different methods of making biofuels. The first one requires them to remove the leaves and just the wood chips, converts it into sugars, which can be easily converted into ethanol or biofuel. Another method uses the entire tree, so it doesn't have to have the leaves separated before processing. And that requires a lot of heat and pressure, 500 degrees Celsius, and it makes a oil-like product similar to this, which can then be converted into biofuels or precursor chemicals for industrial chemical products. So it takes an agricultural product that's fast growing and turns it into fuels and other value-added commodities. Now, it still might not be too competitive with oil being so cheap right now, but it is going a long way. It has cut the time in harvest down to 1/10 of what it was before. So that could go a long way towards making biofuels cost competitive with oil. Of course, I will link to this page in the description if you want to read more about it. And if you'd like to see more news headlines like this, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.